Si eres latino, latina, viviendo en un país anglosajón y has encontrado trabajo desempeñándote en un vivero, pero tu conocimiento del inglés es limitado, aquí te traigo las herramientas para que puedas atender a tu cliente en ciertas situaciones y puedas solucionar. Bienvenidos a este tutorial Inglés para empleado de vivero. Comencemos. Situación número 1. Do you need any help? Yes, I'm looking for chemical fertilizer for my plants. What kind of plants are you growing? Tomatoes. Why? Because you can't apply that fertilizer you are holding in your hand to any kind of plant. It is not recommendable. You could even kill the plant. Situación número 2. Between organic fertilizer and chemical fertilizer, which one would you choose? Well, ma'am, I have used both of them, and I have to say, and this is my own opinion, and you can obtain a higher yield if you apply a chemical fertilizer, and you will see it. When you get a taller plant with more leaf, more flowers, more fruit per plant, and not only that, but the weight of fruit is higher. Situación número 3. I am buying these 10 flower pots to have a hotbed in my house. Ma'am, you don't need to waste your money buying these 10 flower pots. What do I need then? A tray not so shallow will be more than enough. By using a tray, it will be much easier to uproot this seedling after, and make sure to remove the stronger seedling first after germinating. Situación número 4. How many times can I add manure or any other fertilizer to my plants? It is recommendable once a year. But if you see that the color of the foliage is not bright green, then you could give them a second vote. In this case, manure. Situación número 5. When is the best season to repot a plant? Early spring and fall are the best time for repotting. And if I had to do it during another season, when can be done? It will depend on the type of plant you are farming. How is that? If you are farming a fruit plant that bears fruit above the ground, it would be better doing it between waxing moon and new moon. But if the plant gives harvest on the ground, it would be best doing it between half moon and new moon. Situación número 6. What elements should I take into consideration when growing up plants? Besides water, I would point out the type of soil you are going to use. If I were you, I would add to soil these things: peat part, coconut fiber, earthworm humus, expanded perlite, and vermiculite. By using these elements when planting or replanting, you will have healthy plants. Situación número 7. What kind of plants are good to avoid others? African daisy plant, azalea, lilies, bromelias. If you want to see bromelias, we've got different types. Situación número 8. Excuse me, I'm looking for a pair of loppers to cut thicker branches in my garden. I have the perfect ones. Bueno amigos, hasta aquí mi tutorial. Suscríbete, dale like. Nos vemos en una próxima oportunidad. Chao.